V United Rakshit, please come on the stage. V United Rakshit, come on the stage right now. Last and final announcement. V United Rakshit, thank you. Manikpur A versus Nawapur, above 35. Promising player missing in action. Yeah, the ball is with Nikhil there. Good throw in. मेरे घर में मैं आग लगाऊं, मेरे घर में मैं आग लगाऊं, माचिस भी है, तिल्ली भी है और पेट्रोल भी है. That is what is happening out here. Morrison will be disappointed because he's got one goal down. Manikpur A versus Nawapur. Manikpur A leading 1-0. Paul must be happy. With the full stadium sad. That player is still sitting on the bench. The red socks is changed into a black socks. The man with the long hair, they call him Figo. Figo on the bench. Nawapur on the move. Nawapur on the move. 1 goal down. Manikpur leading 1-0. Don't drop anything. This is gonna be the moment. Here we go. Lovely back pass. Nice one. Manikpur A leading 1-0 is Nawapur. Nawapur has got two lovely players. On the move is Anil. Anil, Lady Lucky said that's Linus. Jersey number 18, Linus. Man oh man, what a charisma. And they thought only Prakash is going to play, but then this is happening out here. Linus. Lovely. Nawapur. Quality game happening out here. Linus scored in the earlier match. This boy Anil, he's got the legs of the horses. He runs like, yeah, Anil, lovely. Throw in. Throw in for Manikpur right now. Nawapur 2 goals down. Nawapur 2 goals down. Manipur A leading 2 goals up. Linus, what a spectacular goal that was. On the move. Was still in the game, first half. In the midst of first half. Still in the midst of first half. Nobody wants to see that player. Manipuri playing wonderful game. Nawapur on the move. From the right flank. नहीं है क्या नंबर है 17 Yeah, we've got Colin, jersey number 17, imported from Ju Koliwada, migrated to Vasai. What a lovely player. But then this is the match, this is the moment. Manikpuri leading 2 goals to nil. All eyes, the first semi-final above 35. You are witnessing. We still have the parish priest, Father Assis Rodriguez, with us. What a moment. What a sports personality. What a leader, guiding every sport on the parish level. Manikpuri 2 goals to nil. Look at that, look at that. Whoa. Paul is good at taking the ball from the opponent to our goal. Paul, you should have been scoring that. Linus, lovely boy. Jersey number 18, doing justice for Manikpuri. Nawapur, you have to pull your socks. 2 goals down. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nikhil all the way. What a pass. What a pass. Can Melvin give the crossbar? We got Paul. He's going to take it to that opponent. He's going to take the ball to the home. Always been doing that. Arnold, jersey number 12. You are watching above 35 semi-final. Yeah, we're just in the midst of the first half. Lot of kids coming there. What are the kids doing here? Okay. First half done. Waiting for the second half.
Sounds like sounds like
Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament powered by Wellspun Living, co-powered by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, in association with Baseen Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Bastion, MBR Constructions, Samaira Construction, JC Fabricators, Sagar Construction, Vikas Chicken Center, Kinara Fine Dine, Cafe Relish, VV Decorators, Mendonsa's Farm Stay, Kotak Life Insurance,
Check 1, check 2.
RST
The time you and I are waiting for. That person on the ground.
Vijay Govind Patil,
Doing justice. Jersey number 2.
Viva Homes,
Prakash. Jersey number 2. He's changed the socks from the red to
Regency
blue.
Homes,
He's coming the colors. There you go. With the touch.
Jesus
He's gonna
Christ
stand there.
Foundation, 19th
Can
annual football
Prakash
tournament.
score a
Special
goal?
Thanks to Jude
That's
Dominic
the call of the
Timolo.
day. Number 12. It's gonna be a sensation. It's gonna be a vibration. Prakash has to score. Yeah, all the nations. Sensation, vibration, motivation, inspiration. Jersey number 2. 2 goals. 2 goals. 2 goals up is Manipuri. 2 goals up is Manipuri and Nawapur. Nawapur yet to score. Make your drink, man. Don't talk. Lovely game. The first semi-final about 35 happening out here. We got Manipur A versus Nawapur. Manipur A leading 2 goals to nil. All eyes. There you go. All eyes on jersey number 2. Running from helter to shelter, from center to back, from left to right. Pole to post. Nawapur on the move. Morrison is playing for Nawapur and we are proud of that. Sunny boy. Lovely control. Arnold. He's got the legs of horses. Prakash Almeida into the goal of the opponent. There you go. Always his hands up from the left to the right. ये लोग खेलेगा यूनान में नबी? ये लोग का मैच है? Arnold. That's the man, Linus. Linus. Prakash! 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 You are not at all jackass. Sad to say. I'm on my way. Prakash. What a miss that was. Manipuri versus Nawapur. Back into the game. Into the D. Prakash waiting there. Goalkeeper Sunil has got restful moments. He just waiting there. Yeah. Sunny. Sunny, the Rock of Gibraltar. There you are. किधर है प्रकाश रे? I don't know. बांचो थोड़े What are you watching for that?
बाहर निकला बाहर निकला
बंद हो गया तेरा? काट हो गई थी.
प्रकाश बाहर निकला
नहीं. ये बोला है भाई तूने फांदा किया तेरे को ध्यान में रखना तेरे को बुलाया खास आज इसके लिए. हाँ. Manikpuri leading 2 goals to nil is Nawapur. Now everything is cool and calm in the midst of the second half. This is gonna be a sure win and Manikpuri going to the final, that is for sure. Real consolation losing after all the consequences. What a game this is. That's the ball. Can he convert? Man. Lucky 3. Brian Lopez, you are on target. The lucky 3. Manikpur goes with the number 3. A lovely feeding by Paul. And what a conversion. Whether you win or lose, it's 3. 3 is always letting us free. 3 is the number. The jinx number. 3 patta. 3 ikka, 3 basha. But then that's 3. What a ball. What a ball by Paul. Okay. We are in the midst of the fag moments of the second half. Concentrate. Nawapur. Yay! That's the bicycle. That's the bicycle. Huh? They call it the Caesar kick. Sunil. He's got hands like a crocodile. Wide opening. Nawapur on the move. With this, looks like Manikpuri is going to move to the final. The final is going to be tomorrow. That's Paul. That's Paul. That's Paul. That's Paul. That's Paul. We have to call Saul now. That's Paul. Deliberate mistakes. Not a captain inning. And number 12. On the move. Number 8, Nikhil. 14. What a lovely pass. Paul. Whistle time. Sunil is the man in the goal there. Got Prakash is back. Prakash is back into the game. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you, Prakash. The team is not won because of you, but thank you for playing. Yeah, you make us proud, Prakash. You make us proud. 3 is the number. 3 goal to nil. Manikpuri winning this match. And now Nawapur saying good night, God bless.
Olvin Gonsalves, Mickey Menezes, Vinay Mascarenhas,